I did not realize it was that big. I did not realize it was that big of a
Yeah, it opened a little bit.
And it shut it halfway, and I was like, oh.
Well, it opened and stopped behind your friend, and then it opened again.
Okay.
I had it all the way.
Oh my gosh. Okay, that's weird.
And that's why I was.
And I wish we got it on video, but.
I know, I was trying to turn my phone on.
And that's why I was.
Can you move the door? Close the doors, please,
I
spirits.
think I was just like shocked.
It's getting cold in here. Not.
Yeah, close the door. Please.
What?
I said please.
Aaron said close the door.
Shay Shay.
Actually, it just moved a little.
I don't know why they would say you're not here. What, English? What did you say?
And actually, the door didn't move.
Ni hao, ni hao ma? This building will talk more non-English.
Like a little bit.
Interesting day.
Who is here? I thought I heard Chris was here. I don't know. Who's Chris?
Hey, Jan, who's Chris?
Close the door, spirits, or we're going to... I don't know, what are we going to do? We're going to sleep here tonight.
We're never going to
Popcorn and step all over the place.
We're going to eat all your food and drink all your sake. No, not sake. That's Japanese, right? What's Chinese alcohol?
They drink beer, I know that.
They have rice beer, rice
we're gonna
wine.
drink we're going to drink all the same towel.
We're going to drink all your yin yang.
All the girls. You're my girl, so.
What?
like girls in here?
This just shut off. I think it might be dead.
It's like it's dead.
I think it might be dead.
I mean, deader than they're doing it.
That's a bad pun, too.
Yeah, especially around here.
Not as bad as the yellow one that Aaron said. You guys are yellow. Close the doors!
I'm getting cold. Can you close the door, please? Shay Shay.
We're gonna take your money.
We found your secret stash. We found where you put the gold.
It all.
Somebody just dropped something on the floor?
Zach Bacon's on your money.
It sounded like somebody dropped a
Did
pin
you
on the
hear
floor.
that? Somebody dropped
That was me. I'm step.
something. Yeah, but I felt something drop. Something that dropped. Like a something.
Like a rock or a pin or something, they just dropped it. You're like, tomorrow for smoke.
Hey, we know where the stash is. We're gonna get it.
Yeah, I think it's something good.
Well, there's plenty of
Is there an AC on?
I don't know, but it's freezing in here, that's all I know.
Because I couldn't find the AC. That's a heater. That's a heater. But it was cold earlier.
It's
Coming right in the
Strange,
door.
the other
Oh,
one-
wait, yeah, right, there's an air conditioner right here, but it's not on.
Ah.
It's not on.
But no, is it breeze from outside?
Yeah.
I thought it was.
Let's go.
Corner.
I can feel it.
Corner where?
Spirits, what am I drinking?
Where are you at and what corner?
Corner.
What kind of drink am I drinking, spirits? What is this red thing here? This red can, what does it say on it? No, thank you. What am I drinking?
There's one over there by the bird cage over there.
For the birdcage?
Yes. You're sitting on the edge of the bird cage.
They used to open that cabinet, but it looks like they tied it off. Are there dead bodies under the building? Like Zach Bagans on Ghost Adventure said? They told me yes, but I don't believe it. It doesn't make sense. Maybe they're not going to be so vocal in here. If you're not going to be vocal, are you going to be physical? It's usually one or the other. They don't do a whole lot of both. It's just kind of a pattern I've noticed. Can you close the doors? If you're not going to talk, use your energy to close the doors, please. I don't believe you could do it.
Wrench.
Wrench. Throwing a wrench in their plans.
Does the door need a wrench? See, that doesn't want to close.
Yeah, I don't think they can close it.
I think you guys are too weak.
The Tong does not have the power anymore.
Yeah, you guys are too weak.
Something's gonna hit me.
Are you tired, old spirits?
Something's gonna snap me up the head.
What do they do?
They're going to say broken wrist. Broken wrist.
That thing's gonna hurt.
Re-break.
Yeah, re-break wrist.
Re-break wrist. How did it word it? How did it word it again about the wrist?
Wrist. What did they say? Wrist snap.
Snap?
Snap.
No, it wasn't snap wrist. Cracked wrist.
Yeah, because it keeps cracking after surgery until you build the muscles back up. So it's cracking away.
Can you speak louder? I'm having trouble hearing you. That sound like Rebecca. Did you say Rebecca? I'm hoping you are intelligent spirits that can respond to us. Not just say random stuff. We do have residual spirits here in Locke. One notable one is a little girl in the next building we're going to go in. And I don't know the whole history of her, but based on what little spirits have told me and psychic premonition, I guess you could say, she was a little girl that was abused by an Asian man that occupied one of the rooms there and killed her. And the spirits have told me her name is April, and she doesn't really talk to you, but she'll scream and cry sometimes. So you might hear that. And she hangs out in the landing outside the brothel rooms.
Where's the brothel?
Upstairs, the Dialoy next door.
Oh, okay.
We'll go up there later. There's also... He's here? There's animal spirits too. There's a cat that I felt before in here. Like brushed past me.
The soldier?
Soldier is here. Do we have a soldier?
Maybe him.
Were you presentation arrive? Arrive? I don't know. Presentation something. Is there a soldier here? Probably. What? Probably is Robert? Did she say that?
What's the soldier's name?
Did you say Robert? If you guys don't mind, I think I'm going to move my car over here and then put some of these connects away since they're not working.